Hi, welcome to Crochetsmash. Hope you had a great Christmas and a very happy New Year. Let us make a heart motif today. We are going to use the Bennett Premium yarn, and this is going to be in two colors. One is in pink, the other is white. Okay, so let us begin. So we are going to start making the beginning like a granny square. So make a magic circle. Then the magic circle goes like this. And no, the magic circle goes like this. The short end is in your hand. The long end is going like this. Then there is a small loop. So you take and then make chain 3 and 2 more double crochet. That's the beginning of a granny square, right? So it is like the first chain 3 is considered as a double crochet separated by 3 DC, chain 1, 3 DC 4 times. That's the pattern. I'm going to make the second set of 3 DC, then a chain 1. Now the third set of 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet and chain 1. Then the fourth one, 3 double crochet, 2, 3 and chain 1. Now the first round is completed. We have 1 set, 2 set, 3 set, 4 set with the separated by 1 chain, and a slip stitch on top of it. Now I want to come to the chain 1 space, so I'm going to slip stitch to the next stitches and slip stitching to the chain 1 space. In the second round of granny square we are going to make 3 double crochet. For that I started with chain 3, then 2 double crochet, then chain 2, then make 3 more double crochet. And then we move to the next chain 1 space and repeat the same thing. 1, 2, 3 double crochet and chain 2, 3 more double crochet. We are going to repeat the same thing for the next 2 chain 1 spaces, this one and this one. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we make the next chain 1 space, the same like a 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same chain 1 space. Now we go and slip stitch on top of the chain 3. Now we finished the 2 rounds of the granny square. Now we are going to slip stitch to the corner, chain 2 spaces. We are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 DC and chain 2. That's a corner for a granny square. Then we make, now it is half of the corner of the granny square. Now we want to change the color to bring this white, so it will be like it will be starting to form that heart shape. So we want to make a 3 double crochet here in white. We are not finishing this last double crochet. What we are going to do is going to add this new color. So to change the color, we do only half of the double crochet. I will do it one more time. So the third double crochet is like yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we stop there. We are going to take our next color and add to the work, just like that. Now that DC is completed and the finishing one is with the white color. Now we make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now what we can do is we can cut this pink yarn. Instead of finishing the third one, we'll do only half of the double crochet in white. Leave it like that. Now we are going to take our pink again and change to pink. Go to the corner and make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hold my work here. I'm going to cut the white yarn, leaving a little bit of a longer tail so I can weave it in completely after. We are going to do this side, that is 3 double crochet. Hope you can see between these 2 corners, between the spaces of 2 sets of corners, we make 3 double crochet. When we want to change the color here, see, we are going to make a heart shape. We have to get that a V in the bottom, so we need to make white here. So we have to change the color again. We're going to change the color. I cut the yarn. I'm going to add the white color. Whenever you are adding a new color, make sure you have a little bit of longer yarn tail there. Then go to the corner. We make the corner in white, that is 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Then we have to change the color between the corners, so we are not going to finish the 3 double crochet here. We are going to do only 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and the third we are going to make only halfway. Okay, now we can cut this one, leaving a little bit longer tail, and add our pink. Pull the white a little bit and tighten it. Then we make, because we needed to get this point of the heart, that's what we are making with the 3 double crochet. But in the corner we have to make again in white, so I'm going to change the color. Same like we are not making the third double crochet fully, it is only in the halfway. Then we will change the color, adding the white color. Make sure you leave a little longer tail. It is always better to leave longer yarn tail to weave in when you finish, instead of having very short, so your work will unravel. Now we are making it the corner is 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. But we need to change the color again here, so it is only halfway through the last double crochet. We are going to cut the yarn. Make sure every time you cut the yarn you leave a little long tail. And then we are going to change the color. Leave a little longer yarn tail to start that slip knot here and join. You can tighten this one a little bit, and this too. I learned it in the hard way. I was trying to save yarn and the work didn't went well. It got unraveled. Here in the beginning we did chain 5 and 3 double crochet in that corner, so we had to make 2 more double crochet to finish that corner, and we slip stitch on the third chain of that 5 chain. Now it looks like this. I move that one out. Looks like this. Since that is done, I'm going to cut my yarn and lock it in place. Now is the time you can weave all these yarn tails using a yarn needle. Let me get my trusted yarn needle. Okay, this one will do. We go. Each one of these yarn tails has to be weaved in. Let us weave it in and we will meet again. This is how it looked after I weaved in all those colors, all those yarn tails, not the colors. Now this is the right side. You can see it shows the V of the stitches here. This is the back side. So the outline I'm going to make in white yarn. So I know you're not seeing the heart full there yet, right? So let us try. Now we are going to make a row of white border for this square. So just chain 3 and 2 more double crochet to make the corner, 2. Now we make 3 double crochet clusters between this pink and white and the white and pink. This is chain 2, then 3 more double crochet. So each corner is 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and the sides are 3 double crochet clusters wherever there is a space between 3 clusters. So and we go to the next corner and make a 3 double crochet, 2, 3, chain 2, and 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Then here and here 3 more clusters. So each side has a 2 set of 3 clustered double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and the corners are 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 3, chain 2, and 1, 2, 3. Again the other side. Now you can see the point of the heart here, then the side, then the corner, again 3, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to the side, 1, 2, 3, and we just need to make one more cluster of 3 double crochet, this here, and we can cut the yarn, lock it in place, weave all in. This is the right side of the work. You can see the chains like this, the V, and the other side looks like this. This is the front right side, and this is the back or wrong side. Like this. It's a heart. This is a granny heart. So we are done with the granny's heart. I have done several of these ones, and yeah, we can make something with this. I might make a wall hanging with this one. And that's it for today. If you like this channel, please do like, share, subscribe, and all those things to support my channel to make my day. And I'm happy that I have 100 over 100 subscribers now. Thanks for all your help. Okay, if you need any more help with the pattern, please leave a comment, and I will try to reply to all your comments. And see you next time with a new pattern. Till then, bye bye.